Men do the following things to make her miss you. So guys, if you want a girl to miss you like crazy, do the following things with her. 1. If you want a girl to miss you like crazy, make sure you are always the first to call her in the morning and the last to call her every night, even if you don't. The way she worries and he never stops thinking about. He will miss you so much that he wants to know where you are now and come to you immediately. 2. If you want a girl to miss you like crazy, just make sure you never let her down or leave her when she needs your shoulder. You should always be with her not only materially, but also emotionally. She will always cherish you, and when you cannot be with her, she will miss you like crazy. 3. Also, if you want a girl to miss you like crazy, remember to shower her with sweet and wonderful words every day and every time you meet or talk to her. Use these sweet and wonderful words to make her blush and feel loved, without ever wanting to stop seeing you, and whatever she is, she will miss you like crazy. 4. If you want a girl to miss you like crazy, make sure you treat her parents and brothers as if they were yours. Take care of them, Carter, on their behalf, and make sure you know as much as possible that you are caring for them and the daughter. This will let her know that you have good plans for her, because if she loses you, she will miss you like crazy, because not everyone is like you. 5. Finally, if you want a girl to miss you like crazy, always follow parenting advice whenever you have a chance or when she needs parenting advice. It will make her always need you in her life, and when you are not around, she will miss you like crazy. These are simple and cool ways to make a girl miss you like crazy. I like, share, subscribe to my channel and